Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to draw joy from inside out. If you like to draw using paper pencil, then you can skip the first 40 seconds and you can try drawing directly. And I'm using 3 layers, one for background and second one for drawing the main picture and third for coloring. Once I finish the background layer, I make it visible. If we use different layers, it will be easy for us to do any corrections or erasing anything. It won't disturb our other drawing. This is the second layer. We are going to draw the guidelines. I mainly prefer to draw a thin line. For this, I need to adjust here for thickening or thinning the texture. You can adjust the brush size for starting and ending to get a thick or thin texture. Here comes the guidelines. Make a rough circle and divide into two like plus. We are going to draw the face in sideways, so the plus is little bit this side, and this for the body parts. Later on we are going to fill with the dresses, and this for the hand. And once we finish the guideline, make it lighter to draw the main picture. It will be easier for us to follow the guidelines. Hope you will follow my step-by-step drawing. Happy drawing!